What is up, you guys? This is day 3. I got 3 comments in yesterday's video, so shout out to this guy who said hi. Hi. And then shout out to Cappuccino Garage. He has an awesome YouTube channel with a awesome boosted Volkswagen Beetle. And then this guy right here, who, it's people like him who inspire me to keep making these videos, I inspire him, and he inspires me to keep making videos. And same with everybody else. You all inspire me to keep making videos. So today, I figured I'd show you what I used to weld like and where I'm at now. So, I don't know what was going on here. This guy. Anyway, I don't know what that's about. It's kind of whack. That was with a flux core welder, so that's pretty juicy. Now let's weld something right now on camera. I usually do like a practice, and then I start welding on whatever it is I'm welding. So I'm just gonna go right into it. This is 2 random pieces. There's a gap right there, and I'm gonna fill that gap. Not a professional, but let's give it a shot. I'm also not gonna prep this metal because that takes time. So I just got it in this little vise right here. Start up the machine. There was one other time that I did this and my phone was too close and I melted my phone screen. So let's hope that doesn't happen. Start with a few tacks. Let's make sure it's working. I don't wear gloves, but technically you should. Flip to the other side and we got the gap. I'm gonna try and fill that in. So as you can see, it's still hot, so that is the welds. You can see where I had to stop. Then we get over here to where the huge gap was. It's not beautiful, but I mean, there ain't no exhaust leak there, so that's cool. I mean, it's not professional, but it is a hell of a lot better than how I used to weld. There's good penetration all around. It's hard to see, but it's pretty good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you in the next video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what else you'd like to see, and I'll shout you out in the next video, whoever comments. Even if you commented in my last video and you got a shout out on this video, I will shout you out in every single video if you watch and like and comment my video. But for real, thank you to all the people that I inspire, because you guys inspire me too.